Repair files on Windows. With the help of Wondershare Repairit, anyone can repair their damaged Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF files on their Windows PC. If your files are also corrupted or damaged, then install Wondershare Repairit and follow its smart 3-step process to repair your documents. Load your corrupted files on Repairit. Start the repair process. Preview the results and save your repaired files. Step 1. Load your corrupted files on Repairit. At first, you can install and launch Wondershare Repairit on your Windows PC. Now, go to the File Repair section for More Types Repair. This will open a browser window, letting you click on the Add button to upload your corrupted files. You can select multiple documents and load them on Repairit. Note, you can load multiple documents of different formats and repair them at the same time via the batch processing feature of Repairit. As you select your PDF, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files from your Windows PC, the application will load them and will display the progress on the screen. After your files are successfully loaded on Repairit, the application will let you check their details. Apart from displaying dedicated icons for Word, PDF, Excel, and PowerPoint files, you can also check their name, size, and location here. In case you have uploaded any file by mistake, you can get rid of it by clicking on the trash icon adjacent to its details. You can delete all files in one go by clicking on the Remove All button from the bottom. Besides that, you can also click on the Add Files button from the bottom panel to upload any other document. Step 2. Start the repair process. Once your documents are loaded on Repairit, you can click on the Repair button at the bottom to start the process. The application will scan the loaded documents and fix all kinds of minor or major issues. You can check the progress of the repair process for any file on Repairit and can even cancel it if you want to. Also, the interface will let you know the files that are already repaired, being scanned, or waiting to be repaired. As soon as the file repair process is completed, Wondershare Repairit will notify you by displaying a relevant prompt. A pop-up message will appear, informing how many files have been repaired successfully. Though, if any document has been excessively corrupted and is not being repaired, then you will also be notified of the same. In this case, you can click on the respective link on the interface to get in touch with an expert. Here, you can just load the severely corrupted file and describe the present scenario to get assistance from an expert. Step 3. Preview the results and save your repaired files. Once the repair process is completed, you can click on the Preview button adjacent to any file's icon. In this way, you can check the results of the repair process before saving any document. You can get a preview of your Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and PDF documents on the native interface of Repairit without installing anything. In case you want to export the file, then just click on the Save button at the bottom. Besides that, you can also click on the Save button adjacent to the Preview button on its home screen to export any document. To export all the repaired files at once, you can click on the Save All button from the bottom panel instead. You can now go to any target location on your Windows PC where you want to export your files. The application will automatically save the selected documents and also display their status on the screen. In this way, Wondershare Repairit will successfully save your documents to the selected location on your Windows PC. The application will let you know how many files have been exported. If a file that hasn't been repaired, then it won't be exported by the tool. You can now go to the dedicated location on your Windows PC where your repaired files are saved and access them without any hassle.